Hey, hey! For the latest puzzle solutions, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Friends, welcome back to your channel Puzzle Solver. Today we get you an interesting puzzle, and this puzzle is puzzle number 10 of Brain Teaser series. Here you have to find out the area of the blue region. So let's start. But before jumping to the detailed solution, let's pause the video for 30 seconds and try it by yourself. Please put your answers in the comment section, and for finding out the area you can refer to these two formulas. Your timer starts now. Three, two, one, stop. Hope you all have enjoyed solving it. Let's jump into the solution. So here is the complete picture of this problem, in which we have two shapes, that is, first one is rectangle and other one is circle. And the dimension of the shapes are, for rectangle we have length equal to 30, width equal to 20. We have two inner circles here, that is this one and this one, and their radius is equal to 4. We have one outer circle of radius 5 and the other outer circle of radius 10. To find out the area of the blue region, we have to calculate the area of rectangle, from which we have to subtract the area of two quarter circles and the area of corners. So we have to subtract area of quarter circles and area of corners from the area of rectangle. And you can refer to this picture where first quarter circle is here, this one, the another quarter circle is this one, and we have corner 1 here and corner 2 here. Now first calculating the area of the red quarter circles. So the first quarter circle we have radius equal to 10, and we know the area of a circle, that is equal to pi r square, and for the area of a quarter circle we have to divide it by 4, so it will give the value of a quarter circle. Here radius equal to 10, so it will be 25 pi. Now similarly we have to calculate the area of the other quarter circle, and for the other quarter circle radius is equal to 5. So the formula will be pi r square divided by 4, r is equal to 5, so it will be 5 square divided by 4 pi, and the final value is 6.25 pi. So the total area for quarter circles, it will be quarter circle area radius equal to 10, that is 25 pi, and quarter circle area radius equal to 5, that is 6.25 pi, so total area is 31.25 pi. Now for calculating the area of red corners, we have to subtract the area of circle from the area of a square, and that will give the value of 4 corners, that is this, this, this and this. So it will give the value of 4 corners. We have to divide it by 4 so that we can have the value of one single corner. Now for the area of square we need the length of square, and the length of square is equal to diameter of the circle, the inner circle, and the diameter will be 2r, so the length of the square is equal to 8, because the radius for this circle is equal to 4. Therefore the area of corner will be equal to area of square, that is equal to 8 square, minus area of circle, and the circle's area is pi r square, radius is equal to 4, so pi 4 square, and we have to divide it by 4 so that we can have the value of one corner. So it will be 8 square minus 4 square pi divided by 4, and this will give the value of one red corner. We have to calculate the area of two corners, so it will be this one and this one, so we have to multiply it by 2. So the final value of the red corners is equal to 32 minus 8 pi. Now for the final solution, we have area of quarter circle, that is equal to 31.25 pi, area of red corners, that is equal to 32 minus 8 pi, and the value of pi we have assumed 3.14. As told you earlier, the area of blue region will be calculated from area of rectangle, and from that we have to subtract area of quarter circles and area of corners. For the area of rectangle, we know the length is equal to 30 and width is equal to 20. So area of rectangle is equal to length into width. So the final value of area of rectangle is equal to 600. And area of quarter circles we know 31.25, and area of corners is equal to 32 minus 8 pi. By calculating and solving this equation, we'll get the final value of the blue region as 494.95951, and this puzzle is also solved. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this puzzle, please like and comment on this video and share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to our channel, and you can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.